Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have another condo tour, except today we're actually taking it outside of Midtown. We're going to be going to Buckhead today to view some of the condos there, and I'm actually pretty excited about it because if you've seen some of my TikToks and you've seen some of my Instagram videos, you know I will from time to time post a Buckhead condo. Most of them are always in Midtown if they're going to be a condo and not something like a single family home. But I actually really do like the Buckhead condos because they are price per square foot and what you get in the actual building itself. Usually a lot more bang for your buck is what you get with some of these condos because you don't have the highest premium that you would in Midtown. Midtown has pretty much the highest premium of anything in the city unless you get into areas like Johns Creek and you're talking about single family homes like that, or downtown Alpharetta. But other than that, Midtown, you're paying an excessive premium because you have that extreme centralization and you're around everything in the city. Whereas Buckhead, you still have a ton of things. You have all of the things in Lenox. You have a ton of shops, a ton of restaurants, but you just don't have as much walkability in Buckhead that you do in Midtown. So these condos you actually get for kind of a good deal if you compare them straight up to the Midtown ones and what you get from there. Especially if you're in Buckhead Village, you get a lot more bang for your buck because it's a lot more walkable there. It's really similar to Midtown in that regard. But today we're going to be checking out Ovation Condos right in the middle of Buckhead Village, right near West Paces. And we're going to be checking out just two one-bedroom condos. They're pretty similar. One's actually a penthouse and one has a bit more square footage, so they kind of trade off from each other. And I like them both a lot, especially one of them. They have like a little bar area, almost like a little like nook where you can sneak away to office, and I thought that was excellent. But the penthouse one is a penthouse. It has the best view, but it also has an outdoor area where you can walk, a little patio that you can walk out to it and look towards the entire north side area and even see the mountains off into the distance. It's actually pretty cool to see. So you guys will get to check that out today and just see what you can get in Buckhead for around $350,000. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is actually the larger of the two units. It's on a lower floor and it's actually cheaper, but I thought this unit was incredible. And I haven't seen the other one yet, but I love this one. And I'm gonna stop talking here because I hate watching videos like this where someone talks, but this is a pretty cool unit. It has like a little office area and you guys will get to see everything. So let's go. Okay, now we are on the second unit. This is actually a penthouse unit, so it actually makes it kind of cool. And I can see why it would be more expensive in ways. Penthouse units are almost always gonna have a premium on them. But here's the kitchen. They've put a lot of stuff in just now. And I think this is really cool here, this little play part. If you have a kid or something, it's definitely a neat thing. But without further ado, let's get back into this and I'll stop talking. I think I've been at this pool